How to lock Windows using Microsoft PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your Windows using Microsoft PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you need to know that PowerToys cannot directly lock your PC, but you can create a shortcut to lock Windows quickly. To do that, first of all, you're going to install PowerToys application from your Microsoft Store. Go to your Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. So if you have not installed it earlier, you'll be able to see an install button. You're going to click on that and then you'll be able to see open. So click on open and you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. Next, you're going to go to the search bar and type in Keyboard Manager. So you're going to basically enable your Keyboard Manager. You'll be able to see a toggle button right next to Enable Keyboard Manager. And just beneath that, you'll be able to see Remap a Key. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see Add Key Remapping. And then here, you're going to click on Select. So let's say we want to create a physical shortcut, Control plus Alt plus L, or you can use any combo that you like. Then in Mapped to, the Windows lock screen shortcut that is by default is Window button followed by L, Win and L. So click on OK and then click on OK once again. Now pressing your custom combo locks the PC. So once again, PowerToys cannot lock Windows directly, but it lets you create custom key shortcuts that trigger Windows lock screen. And with that, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.